In a world filled with questions, where wisdom knows no boundaries, join us on a journey of enlightenment and endless learning. Eternal Teachings. TV. Discover the eternal.
The year was 1947, a time when the world was still reeling from the aftermath of World War II, and the Cold War was just beginning to cast its long shadow. It was a period of uncertainty and rapid technological advancement. The place, Roswell, New Mexico. A quiet, unassuming town that would soon become the epicenter of one of the most enduring mysteries of the 20th century. A rancher discovered strange debris scattered across his land, pieces of material that defied explanation, sparking his curiosity and concern. It wasn't like anything he'd ever seen before. The debris was lightweight, yet incredibly strong, with strange symbols etched into its surface. The military quickly descended upon the site, shrouding the event in secrecy. Rumors spread like wildfire. What were they hiding? Why the sudden interest in this remote location? Was it a downed weather balloon, as the official story claimed? The explanation seemed too convenient, too simple for the strange circumstances surrounding the discovery. Or was it something far more extraordinary? Could it be that the debris was from an otherworldly craft, a visitor from beyond our planet? The incident at Roswell ignited our fascination with extraterrestrial life, sparking a question that continues to echo through the decades. Are we alone? This question has driven countless investigations, theories, and speculations. This question takes on an even more intriguing dimension when we consider the possibility of human-alien hybrids. The blending of human and extraterrestrial DNA opens up a realm of possibilities that challenge our understanding of biology and evolution. The idea that beings from other worlds might interbreed with humans has captivated our imaginations for centuries. From ancient mythologies to modern science fiction, the concept of hybrid beings has been a recurring theme. It blends ancient myths with cutting-edge science, blurring the lines between possibility and fantasy. Could there be a scientific basis for these age-old stories? What does modern genetics tell us about the potential for interspecies breeding? Are these hybrids merely the stuff of science fiction, or could they be a tangible reality, hidden in the shadows of our world? The implications of such beings existing among us are profound and far-reaching. This essay will delve into the captivating realm of human-alien hybrids. We'll explore the evidence, the theories, and the stories that have emerged over the years. We'll explore the myths and legends that have fueled our curiosity for centuries. From the ancient Sumerians to the tales of the Anunnaki, these stories have left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. We'll examine the scientific plausibility of such beings, considering the complexities of genetics and the potential for interspecies breeding. Advances in genetic engineering and our understanding of DNA have opened new doors to what might be possible, and will investigate modern claims of alien abductions and hybrid offspring, separating fact from fiction in a world where the truth can often seem stranger than fiction. Personal testimonies and alleged encounters add another layer to this enigmatic topic. Prepare to journey into a world where the boundaries of our reality are challenged, and the very nature of what it means to be human is questioned. This exploration will take us to the edge of science, mythology, and the unknown, inviting us to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. The concept of human-alien hybrids is not a modern invention. It is a notion that has fascinated humanity for millennia, weaving its way through the fabric of our collective consciousness. It has roots in the ancient myths and legends of cultures around the world. From the earliest days of human civilization, stories of beings that were part human and part something else have captivated our imaginations. These stories, passed down through generations, offer tantalizing glimpses into a time when gods and monsters walked the earth. They speak of a world where the boundaries between the mortal and the divine were fluid and permeable. In ancient Sumeria, tales were told of the Anunnaki, advanced beings who descended from the heavens and mingled their blood with that of early humans, creating a race of hybrid offspring. These beings were said to possess knowledge and abilities far beyond those of ordinary humans. These offspring, it was said, possessed extraordinary abilities and became the rulers and heroes of ancient Mesopotamia. They were revered and feared, their hybrid nature setting them apart from the rest of humanity. Ancient Egyptian mythology is also replete with stories of gods mating with mortals, producing demigods with superhuman powers. These demigods were often depicted as having a special role in the cosmic order, bridging the gap between the human and the divine. The pharaohs themselves were believed to be descended from the gods, their bloodlines infused with divine essence. This divine heritage was thought to grant them the right to rule and the ability to communicate with the gods. These stories, though often dismissed as mere mythology, raise intriguing questions about the origins of our species and the possibility of ancient encounters with extraterrestrial beings. Could these myths be echoes of real events, distorted and embellished over time? The Bible, too, contains passages that have been interpreted as suggestive of hybrid beings. These texts, written thousands of years ago, continue to spark debate and speculation among scholars and enthusiasts alike. The Nephilim, mentioned in the book of Genesis, are described as the sons of God who mated with the daughters of men, producing a race of giants who roamed the earth. These giants were said to possess great strength and size, towering over ordinary humans. While the true nature of the Nephilim remains a subject of debate among biblical scholars, their story echoes the themes of divine intervention and hybrid offspring found in other ancient texts. Could these stories be based on real encounters with beings from beyond our world? These ancient tales, though separated by time and culture, share a common thread: the idea that beings from beyond our world have played a role in shaping human history and evolution. This idea challenges our understanding of our place in the universe and our origins. They speak to a deep-seated fascination with the unknown and the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. This fascination has driven humanity to explore the stars and seek out answers to the mysteries of our existence. While these stories may be rooted in mythology, they serve as a testament to the enduring power of the human imagination and our enduring fascination with the idea of human-alien hybrids. They remind us that the line between myth and reality is often blurred and that the search for truth can lead us to unexpected places. To understand the scientific feasibility of human-alien hybrids, we must first delve into the intricate world of genetics. Genetics is the study of heredity and the variation of inherited characteristics. It is a field that has fascinated scientists for centuries, as it holds the key to understanding the very essence of life itself. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, serves as the blueprint of life. This remarkable molecule contains the instructions needed for an organism to develop, survive, and reproduce. DNA is composed of two strands that coil around each other to form a double helix, a structure that is both elegant and efficient. It carries the genetic instructions that determine our physical traits, from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases. These instructions are encoded in the sequence of nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA. Each person's DNA is unique, which is why we all have different physical characteristics and why some of us are more prone to certain health conditions than others. This hereditary material is passed down from parents to offspring, ensuring the continuation of a species' unique characteristics. Through the process of reproduction, DNA is copied and transmitted to the next generation, allowing for the inheritance of traits. This is why children often resemble their parents and why certain traits, such as eye color or height, can run in families. The compatibility of DNA between different species plays a crucial role in the possibility of hybridization. Hybridization occurs when two different species interbreed to produce offspring. The success of this process depends on the genetic compatibility of the parent species. If their DNA is too different, the resulting hybrid may not be viable or may be infertile. In the natural world, closely related species, such as horses and donkeys, can interbreed to produce offspring like mules. Mules are a classic example of a hybrid animal. They inherit traits from both their horse and donkey parents, but they are typically sterile, meaning they cannot produce offspring of their own. However, these hybrids are often infertile, as their mismatched chromosomes make it difficult for them to produce viable gametes. Gametes are the reproductive cells, such as sperm and eggs, that are necessary for sexual reproduction. When the chromosomes from the two parent species do not align properly, it can lead to infertility in the hybrid offspring. The further apart two species are on the evolutionary tree, the less likely they are to produce viable offspring. The evolutionary tree, or phylogenetic tree, is a diagram that shows the relationships among various species based on their genetic similarities and differences. Species that are closely related are more likely to produce viable hybrids than those that are distantly related. Enter the realm of advanced genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a field of science that involves modifying the genetic material of an organism to achieve desired traits. This can be done through various techniques, such as gene editing, which allows scientists to make precise changes to an organism's DNA. Tools like CRISPR-Cas9 have revolutionized our ability to manipulate DNA with unprecedented precision. CRISPR-Cas9 is a powerful gene editing tool that allows scientists to cut and paste sections of DNA with remarkable accuracy. This technology has opened up new possibilities for genetic research and has the potential to transform medicine, agriculture, and many other fields. This technology allows scientists to edit genes, correcting genetic defects, and potentially even enhancing desirable traits. For example, CRISPR-Cas9 can be used to remove or repair faulty genes that cause genetic disorders, offering hope for new treatments and cures. It can also be used to enhance traits such as disease resistance or crop yield in plants. With CRISPR, the boundaries of genetic manipulation are constantly expanding, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. The potential applications of this technology are vast and varied, and researchers are continually discovering new ways to use it. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and the ethical implications of genetic engineering must be carefully considered. However, even with these advancements, the creation of a human-alien hybrid faces formidable challenges. The genetic differences between humans and any potential extraterrestrial life forms would likely be immense, making hybridization a daunting task. The fundamental building blocks of life on Earth may not be the same as those on other planets, adding another layer of complexity to the equation. The DNA of an extraterrestrial being would likely be vastly different from our own, potentially utilizing a different genetic code altogether. This means that the basic structure and function of their genetic material could be unlike anything we have ever encountered. Understanding and manipulating such alien DNA would require a level of knowledge and technology that we currently do not possess. The complexities of cellular machinery, protein synthesis, and embryonic development would pose significant obstacles. Each of these processes is finely tuned and highly specific to the organism in question. Introducing alien DNA into a human cell could disrupt these processes, leading to unpredictable and potentially harmful outcomes. It's important to note that while the scientific community remains skeptical about the existence of human-alien hybrids, the rapid pace of genetic research suggests that what seems impossible today might become conceivable in the future. As our understanding of genetics continues to grow, so too does our ability to manipulate and harness the power of DNA. While the idea of human-alien hybrids may seem far-fetched, the future of genetic research holds many exciting and unforeseen possibilities.